We often fall into the trap of spending more just because we are earning more. This keeps us stuck into a paycheck to paycheck cycle. Let's say you've got a promotion or a salary hike. Suddenly, eating out becomes more frequent. You upgrade your phone to a latest iPhone, or you buy a new pair of shoes. Before you realize it, your salary barely covers your new lifestyle. That's lifestyle inflation, a concept explored by Robert Kiyosaki in the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad. As your income increases, you unconsciously adjust your spending habits. Here's the key: break the cycle. Here's a crucial lesson from Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Start buying assets, stop buying liabilities. Assets put money in your pocket, while liabilities take money out of your pocket. That new car, liability. Investment like stocks, rental properties, gold, commodities, assets. So how can you escape the lifestyle inflation and build wealth? Number one, track your expenses. Awareness is key. Use a free app to identify the areas where you can cut back. You can also use old school style notebook and a pen. Prioritize needs over wants. Do you really need that daily coffee shop latte, or could you brew a delicious cup at home? Invest the raise, build assets. Don't let your raise disappear. Instead, allocate a portion towards your future goals to build assets, not your liabilities. Imagine this: instead of buying a new gadget, invest in stocks or mutual fund that grows over time. Look at this: a fancy car today or a substantial investment growth tomorrow. Your choice today can make huge difference in your future financial health. Break the cycle, benefit from your raise. By breaking the lifestyle inflation cycle, you can truly benefit from your raise and start building wealth like Rich Dad teaches. Have you experienced lifestyle inflation? Share your tips for staying on track in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and follow me for more money hacks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for your time. I will see you in the next video.